Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer Apple Pay cash to bank account. It's a very easy and simple process. Now this is what you need to do first. So on your iPhone, open up the wallet app and then go ahead and tap your cash card. Go ahead and select the more button, okay? And then I want you to tap transfer to bank. And if you're on your iPad, open up the settings app, tap wallet and Apple Pay, tap on your Apple Cash card, and then tap transfer to bank. Now here, what you need to do is just enter an amount, okay? And then come here and tap on next, right? And then you want to tap the instant transfer option if you want it to be processed instantly. This will go directly to your debit card, which is probably linked to your bank account, so you can do it that way. Or you can directly do it to your bank account. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but it is free. Okay? So that is how you do it, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.